Hello, my name is Sarah and I would like to present you the folding shutters. This rail system is used to open folding shutters and close them back up for compact storage. When closed, the shutters are flush with facade and almost invisible fittings. The system is capable of folding shutters weighing up 20 or 40 kg each panel. Folding shutters of 20 kg have a maximum shutter thickness of 30 to 34 mm. Folding shutters of 40 kg have a maximum shutter thickness of 30 to 34 mm and 40 mm. Neither product requires wind permeability. In open position, we guarantee perfect working to wind forces up to 12 Beaufort. The system is resistant to temperature fluctuations. The running and guiding profiles are available in different colors: raw, anodized and powder-coated aluminium. Folding shutters are always set up with minimum 2 panels. Outer, they are connected to the profile with rollers. In the middle, they are provided with several hinges. This uniquely strong setup can serve as sun shading as well as blackout awning at night.